Hey friends, hey neighbors, it's Paul Scherrer of Scherrer and United Real Estate, and this is your monthly market update for June 2020. Let's get into it. All right, as you can see, we're looking at the north side of Indianapolis here, and over last month, we're at about $251,000 as our median sales price. That's down about $5,000 from last month, down just a little bit. Our number of units sold is just about the same at 152. This is encouraging. I don't know if you recall in my market update last month, I said that one of my closing comments was that it's hard to sell what's not there. Well, this is good news. New listings are up 33, almost 34%. I'm going to go over here. As you can see, that we still do struggle with an active inventory. We just don't have that many homes on the market. And the average days on market has gone up by almost 66% to 48 days on the market. There must be some outlier in the data that is throwing that off, because maybe a house that's been on the market for, I don't know, 2 years and finally closed, which would skew this figure. Otherwise, we're down less than 30 days. And we've got $165 as an average price per square foot. But this is what I really want to show you. This is very interesting. You can see here's a chart of showings from the beginning of the year as compared to the same time last year, the number of showings from that period. And you can see the orange is this year, 2020, and the black is 2019. Well, you could see that we were ahead of the game a little bit until mid-February, and then we were down, but kind of coasting along just the same trajectory. This is what our springtime market looks like. This is what it normally looks like. You can see 2019 here, and down here you've got 2020, and we took a huge dip that bottomed out at the beginning to middle of April, and then has made a slowly climb all the way back up. And as you can see, as of today's date, we are actually above our showings from last year at this time, which probably means that we are just now hitting our springtime market. Yes, it's June, it's the middle of summer, but the reality is it's acting more like the spring market. We had a little bit of a pause button push for about 2 months. What does that mean to you? Well, if you're thinking about selling, now might be a really good time. Our clients are getting top dollar. They're selling fast. If you're worried about selling your house and not having a place to move into, we have been able to help our sellers deal with that situation as well. If you're thinking about buying, it's a competitive market out there. You need to be working with somebody that knows what they're doing, help you get your offer accepted over somebody else's. Well, that's it for June 2020. I look forward to seeing you next. What's that? Oh, yes. I did get my hair cut. Thanks for noticing. We'll see you next month.